quiet.
I went to where the crack was.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh. When you swing it, it's just like a baseball bat. Put it on the log. So if you look at it, these are chainsaw marks, right?
Mm-hmm.
What you want to hit for is any weak spots.
So like you got a crack running right through there. If you hit there, it'll split it.
Yep. Go for it.
Nice.
See, the power came back in your butt. If you leaned forward into it, you would have gone through.
I mean, mine was like more together, so. You should get your axe back to the middle. Yeah.
So you have a dull axe. So you have a dull hatchet. For hatchets, it's okay to have them a little sharper. For splitting mauls, you don't want them too sharp because they can actually bend their edge. All I have is this kitchen sharpener, so that's what I'm going to use. Whenever you sharpen anything, you want to go at a 45-degree angle towards the tip in a smooth motion. Do it again. So you firmly press down at an angle and slide. There we go. I'll just take that out. It's fine. Yeah, this needs a lot. It's still dull as heck. Yeah, we need an actual.
Wow, you got in 3 pieces.